to my world here on the internet. I'm your host, Moises Beauchamp Jr.
Hello.
Coming at you with another one.
Phone number ending in 228. Can I get your name?
I'm currently in court. I'm actually doing court on a Zoom. Ain't that something? I got pulled over the other day. And I got pulled over for having an expired temp tag. And it just so happened that the temp tag that I had bought on the streets. This is to show you that it doesn't pay to do things the wrong way. It's always good to do things the right way. Because when you do things the wrong way, shit like this happens. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy this court session with me. Alright? This is Millville for you.
Okay.
My court appointment was for 1 o'clock.
All right. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Millville Municipal Court. I'm Judge Giordano. Today is July 21st, 2021. The time is now 1:36 p.m. Please note that all proceedings in this court are being recorded. We're proceeding via Zoom today. Please keep yourself muted unless your matter is being addressed, as any disruptions to the proceedings will cause interruptions to the transcript that we're creating for today's proceedings. Please keep an eye on your screen for requests to join a breakout room, as that's how you will resolve your matters today. We will try our best to get through every matter that we have in front of us today and answer all questions in due course. Please keep in mind that although we are proceeding via Zoom today, this still is a court of law, so I expect everybody to act accordingly with respect to their demeanor to the court, with respect to language being used, and please make sure you're not driving while your matter is being heard. Please try to keep any background disruptions in your video to a minimum. And please make sure that you are dressed appropriately for court as well. All right, I have some matters that are ready to move forward. The first one I have in front of me is Robert A. Bennett, ticket numbers 230708 through 710. Mr. Bennett, can you unmute, please?
Yes. Hello?
Thank you, Mr. Bennett. You're here for a ticket for driving while suspended, careless driving, and driving without insurance. With respect to the suspended driver's license ticket and the driving without insurance, you're currently facing significant fines, possible jail sentence, as well as a suspension of your driving privileges. You do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used against you. You have the right to an attorney, and if you cannot afford an attorney, the court can appoint one on your behalf. If you are not a United States citizen, and if you plead guilty to or are convicted of certain offenses, including some motor vehicle offenses, it may result in you being deported from the United States. It may prevent you from being readmitted to the United States if you leave voluntarily, or it may prevent you from ever becoming a naturalized American citizen. You have the right to speak to an attorney about the effect a guilty plea may have on your immigration status. Do you understand the rights that I advised you of, Mr. Bennett?
Yes.
And do you understand the consequences that you're facing with respect to these charges?
Yes.
All right, sir. Did you want to be represented by an attorney?
No, public defender will be okay.
Okay, so the public defender's fee is based on a sliding scale of up to $200, and I can ask you some questions regarding your financial situation to see if you do qualify, okay?
Okay.
All right, sir. Do you still reside at...
See, that was the issue. I never lived there. I lived in Violin, New Jersey, 310 West Beach.
All right, what's the current address?
I
I'm sorry, say that again?
go ahead. Yeah, I was never issued any tickets or anything. I ended up missing a court date because it was sent to someone else's house,
All right, well,
and
we'll
I
try
had
to
no idea about it.
all right, we'll try to resolve the address issue then. So you're
Yes, and violently just
okay. Is there an apartment number there?
no, it's a house.
Okay. Do you own or rent the home or live with other people?
I live with other people.
Okay. And do you have any children?
No,
Any
No,
family
I do not.
members or spouse that relies on you financially? Okay. Are you currently employed?
no.
All right. How long have you been unemployed?
I've been on Social Security for my whole life.
Okay. SSD or SSI? I didn't get a response here. There's like a lag between our systems here. Is it SSI or SSD? Mr. Bennett, can you hear me?
Hello?
I can hear you. Was it SSI or SSD? You've got a back.
SSI.
SSI. Okay. And how much do you get per month from SSI?
Like $800.
Okay. Is that your only source of income?
Yes. Well, I do tattooing, freelance, but that's not,
Nothing significant?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so you do qualify for the public defender. I'll assign the public defender on your behalf. The fee will be $50, and that amount will need to be paid in full prior to the resolution of your case. And you'll receive a new notice in the mail at the address that you provided today. And that will have the information regarding the assignment of the public defender and your next appearance date, okay?
Okay.
All right, thank you, sir. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Tia Bonds, complaint number 2021-899.
Yes, hello?
Hello, and we have a Priya Johnson, is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we have Tia Bonds here. Is there a Tia Bonds here? Is she in a breakout room somewhere? Okay. All right, Ms. Johnson, it looks like the state spoke with Ms. Bonds and she wants to seek private attorney. What is it? State. I'm not sure what that means, but all right. So Ms. Bonds was requesting an adjournment so that she can seek private counsel. I'm not sure where she is at the moment, but the matter will be relisted. Ms. Johnson, you will receive a new notice to appear in court on a future date. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you for your participation here today. Moises Beauchamp, tickets E21 1186 1187, as well as complaint number 2021 638.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Beauchamp. You have a ticket here for driving without a license, as well as fictitious plates, and you also have a 2C charge for 291A is. Hold on. You have a 2C charge for obstruction. For the obstruction charge, you're currently facing a fine of up to $1,000, possible jail, community service, and/or probation. You do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say may be used against you. You have the right to an attorney, and if you cannot afford an attorney, the court can appoint one on your behalf. Did you wish to be represented by an attorney in this matter?
Yes, ma'am, because I'm not sure what the obstruction charge is. And,
Okay, you were originally charged with, hold on, providing false information to an officer, and that was administratively amended to the obstruction charge. All right, but the do you want to apply for the public defender to represent you in this matter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and you understand that the public defender's fee is based on a sliding scale of up to $200?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir, so I'll ask you some questions to see if you qualify for the public defender services. Do you still, which address do you actually receive mail at?
I receive mail at
Okay, and do you rent or own that home or live with other people?
I live with other people.
Okay, and do you have any children or other family members that rely on you financially?
Yes, ma'am.
How many children do you have?
I have one that relies on me financially.
And how old is that child?
11 years old.
Okay, and any other family members that rely on you financially?
No.
Okay, are you currently employed?
No, I'm on unemployment
Okay, and how long have you been unemployed?
since the July last year.
July of 2020?
Hmm.
Okay, and you're receiving unemployment?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and how much do you get per month from unemployment?
130 something because they take child support out.
$130 per month?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any other source of income?
I'm self-employed, so yeah, that's
Some like side jobs here and there?
yeah.
Okay. All right, sir, based on that information, you do qualify for the public defender. The fee for the public defender will be $100. That amount must be paid in full prior to the resolution of your case. You'll receive information from the court at the address you confirmed on the record today with respect to the appointment of counsel and your next appearance date, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
And you too.
Thank you.
Judge, I don't mean to interrupt. It's